guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you how I usually make my TikTok videos. So yeah. Before we proceed to the video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button down below. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so change setup tayo, no? First of all, bago ako mag-shoot ng isang or maraming video, dance video, what I usually do is I'm searching or looking for mga TikTok videos na gusto kong sayawin and gusto kong gawan ng video. After ko makakita is ginalike ko muna yung video para after mag-shoot na ako is madali lang siya hanapin. And then pag may time na ako mag-shoot or gusto ko nang mag-shoot, ang una kong ginagawa is binawatch yung videos multiple times para mas makabisado ko ng maigi yung mga steps and para mas madali lang siya pag mag-shoot na ako, para hindi ganong marami yung takes na kailangan. So ayun.
A few moments later.
For our first video, ang gagawin ko ay ito.
Okay. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it.
So ayan, gagawin na natin yun. Pag nag-shoot ako ng mga videos or dance video, yung normal speed lang yung ginagamit ko, yung 1x ito. Ayan. So after that is pakinggan ko pa muna yung music muna before talaga mag-shoot para mas ma-remember ko yung steps ng maigi. So ayun. Okay. Take 2. Here's the result.
Okay. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it.
Ay! Gihangak na ko first pa lang to ha. Second video na akong gagawin is ito. Okay, gagawin na po natin in 3, 2, 1. Mali, wait lang. Usab, next. Mali. Okay na ito. Gapoy na ako. Tingnan mo yung pawis. Okay, siguro ito na. Sige, next. Okay, next ata guys. So for last video na gagawin, ito. Ito. Let's go! So I think okay na yun guys. Ay, kakapoy. Hoy, kakapoy. Bullshit. I think ito na mag-end yung video natin guys. Thank you for watching and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko ngayon. Hope you like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell down below para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload a new video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mag-comment kayo kung ano pang mga video na gusto nyo mapanood sa akin. So yun, thank you guys. Bye!